Hi everyone, it's Rujita and welcome to my channel once again. Today I will be sharing with you guys best editing apps for mobile, and you can install it on mobile, you can use it on mobile. So I'll show you about four best editing apps I found. It is purely handpicked. So first let's talk about our first application, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel also. So without any further ado, we are gonna get started with the first app, which is called Vita app. So when you enter this Vita app, you will get a screen like this. So for making a new video, you have to click on that violet type button, new project. Now you can add a video you want to edit and click on this violet button, and now here is the video. I have shooted a simple video scratch. Now see, you can even turn and turn off the watermark from going to the settings. The settings button is at the top, and also here you can get this, and this is really good. If you want to keep the watermark, you can keep. If you don't want to keep the watermark, you can turn it off in the settings like this. See, the settings button is the very top. So here is our video we are going to edit. So you can add a text here. I'll be adding a text called scratch, and the thing I like most about it, you can go to the title and you can find several very cool designs. Like I find this design and I added it. It was really good, and many designs like this will appear. So for this text, I thought that this is the best design I got, and this is one of the most favorite feature, my most favorite feature. Now let's add one more text called Dino Chasing Game. I'm going to give the same font style to this also. You have to go to the title, and then you have to you can just switch to fonts. So I just got my favorite font as Giraffe here, and all the fonts are really cool and beautiful. See, a basic editing is already done by adding the text. Now if I want to add some stickers, I can click on the sticker button and I can add some emojis, I can add some stickers, even I can add some gifs. If you want, you can add it, and many more. You can add a recording blur, which is really good, I thought. So there is a gif called recording blur, means it will give you a blur effect. It have anime effect also. So if I want to get a cartoon effect, see, the cartoon effect looks like this. Zepeto effect, anime 3 effect, there are many anime effects, and the anime effect looks like this. I think it is anime 3, I don't know it exactly. So I can give the record blur, which is the basic effect. You can find it in GIF for effect. Yeah, it is an effect only, I think. See, the basic editing in our this is done, and now I can add stickers again as I have shown you. Now you can even add gifs. I wanted to add this gifs, so I clicked on this. Yeah, and I just you can drag these objects wherever you want in the video if you don't know how to edit. And this is the ultimate place you can edit your videos like a pro. See, can you see this? And the editing objects are very good. They are launching many more features on this application to let us edit more good videos on this application. We can even add some music tracks, like if I want this music in top 20, so I can click on use if I want this music in my video, and then I'll turn on my volume, and when I will the video is with that music I added. It is really good. You can even record your own audio. Now comes the next app called UCut. This is one of my favorite app, UCut. You can even remove other videos watermark using this app. So this app is not having any kind of watermark. It is not having, such as this video which we just now edited. This video you can have here, and make sure you click that save and export button in Vita also, and in this also. If I want to hide this place, I marked with blue color. You see this place, the place where we give space and all. If I want to crop this place, what should I do? I can just click on this video, and then I can click on crop. Then I can just crop it. Now there are ratios also, but YouTube ratio was not letting me show my video completely. I thought it will free, and then I crop. See, the space is not there. You can see your video can be cropped. So this way you can even crop the watermark on your simple video. Like I crop the space bars, you can even crop your watermark like this, and you can pinch it for zoom in and zoom out what is happening in the video. So you are just going to use the crop feature for hiding any space bar like that, or for hiding any watermark, and it is a really cool effect. You can even choose some ratios after going to BG. I will choose my YouTube ratio, and this comes with the very good effect that you can even set your videos background like this. Like this you can set. See, I have choose this image as my video's backdrop. I can even blur the backdrop as I want, and if you don't want any specific image backdrop in this, you can click that button to get a image for your backdrop in your gallery. So I like this backdrop. You can even blur it. See, the blur slider is at the below. At the bottom you can get the blur slider, and if you want your video's background to appear the video only, you can even do that, or you can set as a normal color, but color does not blur, So now you can click on peep to add some more video or photo on your video again. As you can see, I have added a photo on my video. I skipped it, and even it have a chroma effect, which is really good. You can just adjust the strength, shadows, etc. So I just love this effect of YouCut, which is giving us to also enable chroma effect, and many more effects are there. We just have to discuss about it. We have to there is filter also. See, I have choose the bright filter. You can add a 2 seconds or 3 seconds effect as well. You have to long press on the thing. See, now very simply we are editing the video in this, and even you can record your own audio in this also, as Vita also records its own audio. Don't forget to click save, and you can even add some music here by the music. Some wonderful tracks are here you can add. See, suppose then an ad can suddenly appear. Okay, after this, if your music is premium, you can even get it with the ad. So see how good editing YouCut also does. I love the editing feature in YouCut also. Now let me go to our next application, which is KineMaster. So in KineMaster you choose our YouTube ratio, which is 16 and 9, and then you choose the screen recordings. So even I want to edit this one video, 26 seconds video, I'll just choose it out. I'll click on the tick, and now I will start editing this video. Let us go. Here you can see, okay, and you can click on layer. You can now from layer you have to understand all in your own. It even have a chroma key effect like the peep effect I have shown you on YouCut. So easily you will understand all the features of this application as well, because it's not so hard to understand, and it is a very simple navigation. All the apps I am showing you today are very handpicked and tested. I have used these apps a couple of times for editing all my videos. Now here you can even add some text. See, and you can add some animation or something in the text also if you want. You can use your text as a watermark also. See, and just don't forget to drag all those things in the bottom. You can see. Now comes my favorite app, Vlogstar, which I have used a couple of times. Click on the start new project. Go to intro. You can even add some stock footages. Yes, it has a stock footage also. So from the stock footage, if I want to add an intro, see the intro is like this. I have downloaded the intro. Now click on add. Click on this ratio and see like this. You can adjust your text also as normal. In this application also you can add text. In this application also you can set your text color, animation, and you can set your text font and all. You can simply drag and drag out text to edit this. So yeah, I think Vlogstar is even very cool for editing your videos. If you have some ideas on editing your videos like this on Vlogstar, you can try it out. And many YouTubers have been editing their videos also. And by UCut you can also give the watermark. Here is a watermark of Vlogstar, but you can just separate the watermark. And if you want to remove the watermark, you have to give money. You can even outro here, but it was a locked outro, so I'm using a free outro. In order, I have said to all of you that it's free applications. All the free applications we can use and no watermark. Here you can just trim, like crop the watermark like I did on UCut. You can use UCut and you can even add customized watermarks. So but this customized watermark feature is only available for those who have the membership. Means you have to pay for a customized watermark, but yeah, you can't just like pay some money for editing. So you have to keep the watermark. Or in free, if you want to remove the watermark, I will prefer go to UCut and then trim. Like some applications, the watermark is there, but the application is having so good features, so you don't want to leave that application, but it has a watermark which you want to remove. You can use UCut to just crop the watermark a little bit. Maybe a little video will be less. Now you can even add some text here. If in like outro I want to add a text called thanks, I will type thanks here. You can see. So this is all about the very best editing applications I handpicked for you. Bye bye guys.